In 2021, the global automotive industry lost over $210 billion due to missing microchips. Cars sat idle, production stopped, and factories faced critical supply chain failures. And who is the culprit? The hidden computers inside every vehicle. Today, your car is no longer just metal and gasoline. It's a network of hundreds of tiny computers orchestrating every turn, brake, and acceleration. These are embedded systems, and they are quietly running everything you rely on behind the wheel. So in this video, I will take you inside the computers that control modern vehicles, from sensors to software and from the safety systems to semiconductors. I will show you how embedded systems have transformed cars into the most complex consumer devices ever built. Cars were once purely mechanical machines controlled by levers, cables, and manual adjustments. Over the past 4 decades, every vehicle system has shifted to digital control. Electronic fuel injection replaced carburetors, microcontrollers replaced mechanical linkages, and the engine control unit, or ECU, emerged as the car's brain. Modern vehicles now contain up to 100 million lines of software code, coordinating engines, brakes, safety, and infotainment. Embedded systems in cars connect 3 fundamental components: sensors, ECUs, and actuators. Sensors detect speed, acceleration, temperature, and distance, while ECUs process this data in real time, execute control algorithms to actuate brakes, steering, and throttle. Systems like anti-lock braking and electronic stability control operate within milliseconds to maintain safety and performance. Every decision is computed across multiple microcontrollers operating under real-time constraints. To coordinate hundreds of ECUs in a vehicle, embedded systems rely on specialized networks. Controller Area Network (CAN) is the backbone for engine and safety systems. LIN, FlexRay, and Automotive Ethernet handle lower and higher bandwidth communications. These networks are deterministic and fault-tolerant, thereby ensuring critical data such as brake commands reaches its destination without delay or error. Safety is paramount in automotive embedded systems. Functional safety is codified under ISO 26262, which assigns automotive safety integrity levels to critical functions. Redundant sensors, fault-tolerant control, and error detection algorithms ensure that failures do not result in accidents. Systems like adaptive cruise control or lane keeping assist must remain operational even under hardware or software faults. Embedded systems depend on high-performance semiconductors. Companies like NXP, Infineon, and Renesas supply automotive-grade microcontrollers, while GPUs from NVIDIA power autonomous features. Tier 1 suppliers like Bosch and Continental integrate these chips into control units before delivering to automakers. The supply chain is complex and global. Even a shortfall of semiconductors can hurt production, as we saw in 2020 to 2022 chip crisis. Software is now the competitive differentiator. Modern vehicles receive over-the-air updates that can improve performance, safety, and features. Embedded software defines braking algorithms, energy management in EVs, and even infotainment. Automakers now compete as much in code as in hardware, with software development becoming a core part of the vehicle's value proposition. To manage complexity, automakers are consolidating multiple ECUs into domain controllers, each responsible for specific systems like ADAS, powertrain, or infotainment. This reduces wiring, simplifies networks, and enables more efficient software management, paving the way for fully software-defined vehicles in the near future. Embedded systems are evolving toward full autonomy. Vehicles will sense, compute, and act with minimal human input. Electrification, AI-assisted driving, and connected services rely on real-time embedded intelligence. The car of tomorrow is not just a machine. It's a computing platform on wheels, powered by microcontrollers, sensors, and sophisticated software. From the engine to the wheels, from safety to autonomy, embedded systems are the invisible backbone of modern vehicles. Understanding how they work is not just a curiosity. It is key to the future of mobility. Cars are no longer machines. They are computers, and embedded systems make every journey possible. This video was researched using industry reports, white papers, and credible sources. If you want to support our mission to decode the technology behind everyday machines, like, subscribe for more deep dives into embedded systems, IoT, and innovation. See you in the next video. Thank you for staying with Embedded Systems Diary. Bye!